going to make our own version of papyrus paper using a paper mache method. So this is not the method that the Egyptians used. This is just kind of an easier route to get the same kind of look and effect. So you have all these kind of yellow strips. There's going to be a glue water mixture at your table. That's a great way you can make paper mache at home if you just add water to glue. We're going to do this on top of a wax paper so that way the paper mache won't stick to it. We're going to just set our strips into the paste. Okay, we always kind of slide the excess off and set it on our paper. When you do your second piece, it needs to touch the piece you already did. So you can go horizontal or vertical. I'm going to recommend that we kind of do a little bit like a weaving pattern. So I'm going to go vertical, and then I'm going to go horizontal. Okay, I'm going to make sure I'm slightly on top. Okay, see how it's slightly on top of the piece I already did? Okay, that's going to make the paper strong when it's done. So I'm kind of making almost like a braid pattern, but you could also do several going this way and then start going back. So however big we get this is how big we're gonna have to work with when we draw our hieroglyphics and whatnot. So I am trying to go about a foot down. And these don't need to line up perfectly. You can see it's kind of staggered. This is actually gonna make it kind of interesting. When you're done, you can always rip a few small pieces if you're wanting to add a couple different directions just for interest. This isn't for strength of the paper. This is really just to make it look a little more interesting. If you have too many verticals together or too many horizontals together, this can just help break that up. Okay, I'm gonna set this to dry, and this is ready for the next step.